Hey, June is thought to be a great month for marriage. A lot of people get married in June. I got married in June. And I want to talk about ideas to help enhance your relationship. In my books, Make Love, Make Money, Make It Last, and my book, Rich is Good, Wealthy is Better, I write that there are three big boulders that break up marriages: sex, money, communication. And money is particularly interesting because money problems can be some of the top stressors in a marriage. Not because couples lack income, but because they lack alignment. See, rich is good. It pays the bills. But wealthy is better because wealth builds unity. That's right. Wealth builds unity. You're supposed to leave, cleave, and weave. Okay? Wealthy people plan together. They pray together. And they work together to make their marriages stay together. Rich may buy a house, but wealth builds a home. That's right. And rich can get you a nice, fancy bed, but wealth gives you a good night's sleep. When couples move from secrecy to strategy, from arguments to agreements, money stops being a divider and thought to be a uniter. So remember, it's not how much money you make, it's how well you manage it together. Rich is good, but wealthy together is so much better. This is Dr. Willie Jolley. Share this video with everybody in your network, particularly those people who you know are couples, and particularly those who are struggling. And then go to jollymarriage.com, get the free chapter from our marriage book, and then go to jollymarriage.com and watch our TED Talk. We've been married for over 40 years, haven't had an argument over 38 years, and how we do it. We don't always agree, but we got a system and it works. It'll work for you if you use it. So remember to share this video. Remember to make the most of every minute. And remember, your best is yet to come. God bless you. Have a great day.